Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today we will learn about the photo editing with the PicsArt. Let's make your photo look better with PicsArt application, and I will let you unlock one feature called tilt shift. What is tilt shift? So let's just open the PicsArt right away to make the lesson today easier. Now go click this plus button, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit as the mock here. I have this picture with my idol there, and what is tilt shift? Tilt shift is the simple and easiest, super fast way to get the blur effects around specific object. So how you can find it? Go click the tools, and there will be like a tilt shift. Just go tap it. You will see now there will be an area that is blurry and the area that is super clear here. Now you can adjust it. You can just use this linear, or you can also use the radial by clicking this plus button, the circles button. Now you'll see again there will be like a blurry effects and the clear effects. This is called tilt shift. You will get a super easy blurry effects on the picture that you have. Now here you can also adjusting the clear area and as well as the blur area. So if you want to make it like smaller for the clear area, you just need to like take a look on this side. You can just like drag it into the inner part to enlarge the blurry effects, while the middle one could be the clear area. You can make it bigger by pinch with two of your finger, or just go pinch into the inner side to make it smaller. Now you can also adjusting and pick the area that you want to keep it clear. Let's say I will let you keep the face clear and let for the rest. I will let to enlarge the blurry area, so I will let to drag it into the other side. And now here is what I got. So that is the tilt shift on a PicsArt. You can just try it into your photo and make your photo look better. Super easy and simple to get an aesthetic photo, right? That's for today's tutorial, and hopefully we met again into other PicsArt tips, and see you